Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog guys, we're going to talk about the Asian Prince Lee Kwang-soo, Running Man actor. For today's vlog guys, sad to say that Lee Kwang-soo is reported leaving the Running Man. Lee Kwang-soo is reported to leave Running Man after 11 years in the show. He will shoot his last episode on the 24th of May. According to the reports, he is leaving due to health reasons after being involved in an accident last year. This news was confirmed by his agency. Actually guys, nakakasad tong report na to. Because Lee Kwang-soo is one of the actor of Running Man. Kumbaga siya yung buong buhay sa show. Actually, favorite namin siya ng mga anak ko kasi ang galing niyang mag-comedy. But Running Man will continue with 7 members. Thank you, Lee Kwang-soo, for 11 years of loves and hard work. Our Asian Prince, Lee Kwang-soo, wishing you happiness. Ayan guys, so yan nga yung news for today guys. Medyo sad siya guys, pero you need to accept na kailangan din niyang mag-rest. Dahil nga na-involve siya last year sa aksidente. So yan guys, medyo sad ang ating vlog for today, but like must go. So guys,
all the people 똑같은 건 싫어. 내게 또 다른 시도를 하고 있어 all day. Something's gonna change. 그냥 흐름에 길을 손잡아줄게. 그럼 이리 오라. 너는 본 곳은 나도 몰라. 처음 보는 강경기에 도대체 뭐라. 벽을 끼고 날아 강경 말고 짰어. 그런 모두 자리에 있을 거야. 언제부턴가 내가 날아가고 있잖아. 그걸 인지하는 순간 떨어질까봐 다시 위를 쳐다봐.